Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Today I have something very special in store for you guys. So I kind of made an impulse purchase. As you know, like Essence and Farfetch, like near the end of the year, they do like a big sale. So I've been like eyeing these shoes since like forever, and I was like, might as well, you know, treat yourself. I'm a big advocate of treating yourself. So I purchased some Margiela tabi shoes. So let's get into this thing. Let's do this unboxing real quick, and yeah. So this is the box. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's really plain white, and that is the sizing that I have. It's the name and the price. The price. This is my first time spending like so much money on shoes. And these are the signature shoes. Oh, they're beautiful. And I mean, they really do look like Converses. I mean, because the silhouette is the same. The main difference is like the signature Margiela sign logo right here. And of course, like the signature split toe. That is the main difference. And the quality, of course. I don't have a wide variety of white shoes, like plain white sneakers, so I thought I might as well get white. I know it will get dirty easily, especially since it's like canvas material. Of course, shoes are gonna get dirty regardless, you know, so I'm okay with that. And you can see that the lacing is like off-white compared to the actual suede of the sneaker, which I like. It adds character. Overall, so far, 10 out of 10. I like it. It's very simple, very chic, I guess, and chill. It's very chill. That's the vibe I wanted to go for. As for sizing, I had a lot of trouble with that, honestly, because I wouldn't want to put so much money into something and like have it not fit. I ended up getting a 36 in these, and I've talked to my mutuals on social media that do have a pair of tabi shoes, and she told me, shout out to Sandra, she told me that she wants you to size. She thinks it fits really well, and watched a couple of YouTube videos about it as well, and some, of course, you hear people like size down, size up, but I just ended up getting my regular size, 36. But honestly, when I tried it on, I low-key felt like a 36 was a little bit too big, surprisingly. I mean, okay, not surprisingly, honestly, because Converses, if you had a pair of Converses, you know you should like size down half a size because it is a little big. Since my rigs fit the way I liked it, I assumed just to get a 36 in these, which I'm not mad at because I tweaked it a little bit. But without tweaking it, like when I first opened it, unboxed it, and like put my feet in it, it was a little roomy, it was a little big. My boyfriend ended up helping me out, come to a solution. We took the soles out, the Margiela soles, and we put some band ones in, and yeah, you could see like he cut it and everything to fit over them, and it works so well. Like, I feel like that's what it was missing, because when I put my foot in it without this extra sole, it is really roomy. So I got these from Farfetch. The retail price for these tabbies was $5.90, and I got these for $3.99, I believe, on Farfetch, but after tax and everything it was $4.26. In my experience shopping with Farfetch, it was my first time buying from them. So I ordered it on January 1st, and in the email they said that they was going to send it in like 1 to 2 business days. So I was like, okay. And by the 7th I didn't receive any update. I mean, I understand, like, it was holiday season, everything's backed up, but honestly I feel like they forgot about me. So I emailed them, and I also hit them up on their Twitter support, and they was like, oh, okay, we're sorry, like, we're having a delay or something, da 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 da. And then all of a sudden my shipment label is created just like that, and the next day on the 8th it was shipped. But yeah, I just got the short end of the stick. So it's alright. Would I shop at Farfetch again? Maybe. But I personally feel like I like Essence. So the question you guys all are wondering, are they worth it? I want to say kinda. I mean, I haven't worn them out yet. I'm gonna wear them out today, so I could probably like update my answer. But they're really nice. They're like a staple piece. They're cool. I honestly feel like it's a chill flex. It's something subtle that can elevate your outfit compared to like getting chucks. It's really the split toe that makes this a game changer, and the little detailing that you can see throughout the shoe, like the back, it shows the Margiela numbers right here, the tongue, there's also right here, and then this shows the size that you got. The bottom, you can see like the slit. Oh yeah, and they also gave 2 like shower, I don't want to say shower caps, like bonnet shoe protector things that like are stretchable. You can put around your shoes so they don't get like dusty or linty, which I thought was pretty cool. Of course, with the split toe you would need like socks that go with it, so I just got like cheap ones off Amazon. You could just like type in tabby socks, and I think they were like $12, $12.99 probably. It came with a pack of 3. They're pretty thin. It works fine. It gets the job done. And yeah, just don't forget to buy some tabby socks. So overall, I would say it is worth it if it is on sale. I cannot imagine spending the retail price, which is $5.90, on these sneakers. Maybe if they're the boots, the tabby boots, I would probably consider it. But for a pair of sneakers, nah. But if it's on sale, hell yeah, it's a steal. It's cute. It's the moment. She's the moment. Okay, so I will go try it on with a couple outfits, different pants. You guys can get the vibe and see how they actually look.